Hello my friends, hello my subscribers, hello my guests. We are going back to school in a few days and I thought I will share fidget toy for children. Lots of children, we know, have got ADHD and lots of other attention problems, and they want to just fiddle things with their hands. We all know that. My son is always chewing or fidgeting with something. So this is a little help for children or maybe even for adults. I've created this fidget, like never-ending circle. If you go for this, it is literally, this is what it is, and I will show you how to create this. This is easy pattern, could be for beginners. The challenge would be with this yarn, but you are free to use any yarn. But I must say that once you try this kind of yarn, it is very soft, and it is pleasure to always touch this. You enjoy touching this and you enjoy working with it because it creates larger stitches and it works quite fast. For this project I will be using baby yarn. This is plush yarn, 100 meters, 100 gram, 95 meters, super bulky, and 5.5 millimeters crochet hook. We will start by making slip knot. This is what you do. Making a loop and taking the working yarn through. Yarn over, pulling through, chain 1, yarn over, pulling through, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make the chain that big enough and good enough for your yarn. The bigger chain, initial chain, the bigger will be the center of your fidget. Obviously for this yarn I will have smaller amount of stitches. If you are using ordinary double knit yarn, you may need slightly more bigger amount of stitches. So this is approximately the size I have chosen. Chain 13, making chain 1 and single crochet in the second chain stitch. Mark this first stitch, and keep going, one single crochet in each stitch, so it should be 13 single crochets in my pattern. It is very hard to see your stitches, you just have to feel them. If you run your thumb across, you will feel the bumps. Those are your stitches. It should be 13 stitches, but if you've got more or less, this pattern really does not matter at all. So don't be stressed about it, it will be just alright. last stitch and last single crochet. This is what I've got. I marked my first stitch, and now we will be connecting, but I'm not connecting this end. I will be connecting the other end. So you see, this is how it goes, and then when you turn the other way around, you're creating like 8 shape, like a spinner. That's what we want. This is what we do. Slip stitch, chain 1, and now I'm making 3 single crochets in each stitch. This is first stitch. Again, it is peach color. It is lovely. And I will put my stitch mark, marking my first stitch. Three single crochets in each stitch. We want this fidget spinner to grow and become lovely, soft and wavy. And so like this, keep going, 3 single crochet in each stitch, all the way till stitch marker. And now this is the moment that everyone is confused about. After you reach your stitch marker, please don't continue for the stitch marker. You need to twist it again, so you are going for the other end. Creating this like 8 never-ending 8 like pattern. This is what you've got. If you continue with stitch marker, it will be small end and then large end. So this is how you will twist it again, connecting it to the previous round, and keep going, 3 single crochets this button, 3 single crochets in each stitch. Continue. Have a look. If you're going along this end, then you will come out towards this stitch marker, so you will continue, keep going, you see, and that's how you will increase this like 8 shape, this one, so it will never end, it will go amazing, like that's what we want. So keep going, 3 single crochets in each stitch. It may sound a little bit confusing, but once you start and once you pass this stage, you will understand this little step and the rest of it will be easy. Let me just make this one round and I will see you at the stitch marker. I will not remove the stitch marker. I will show you in a bit how this goes. When you reach your stitch marker, you can see it's already forming very nice pattern, what we want, and it is amazing, nice, soft and colorful. Now you will connect it to the stitch marker and you will remove the stitch marker. You don't need that anymore. And I will not even connect the rounds. I will keep going into this stitch, and I want to keep going with half double crochets, 2 half double crochets in each stitch. From now on my pattern will be 2 half double crochets in each stitch for as long as you want. Or maybe I will mark it and then I will tell you how many rounds I have done. If you started with the amount of stitches I have started, it was 13. You may want 2-3 rounds, no more. If you would start with larger circle, obviously you may want to keep going. I have made only 2 rounds with half double crochets, and this is what you've got. It goes round and round and round. Maybe could have made another round, but I haven't. Hope you like this idea. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Check my other fidget spinners, and I've got lots of toys, amazing toys as for beginners and for advanced people. I'm sure you will find something you like and something you want to make right now. And thank you for coming and watching my tutorial.